Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase fluency practice with Preply easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Preply website or downloading the Preply app. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Find a Tutor section. Use the filters to choose the language you want to practice. Select your preferred tutor based on their profile, ratings, and availability. Schedule a convenient time for your first lesson. Before the lesson, set specific goals for your fluency. Prepare a list of topics you would like to discuss during your session. During the lesson, focus on speaking as much as possible. Ask your tutor for feedback on your pronunciation and grammar. Incorporate new vocabulary into your conversation. Request additional exercises or materials to enhance your practice. Take notes on what you learned during each session. After your lesson, review your notes and practice speaking out loud. Schedule regular sessions with your tutor to maintain consistency. Consider joining the Preply community or discussion boards for additional practice. Utilize the resources available on Preply's website for self-study. Stay motivated by tracking your progress over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.